Hey guys, welcome to question FM375 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the graph below shows a straight line that passes through the points 0, 8 and 2, 12. The coordinates of the point where the line crosses the x-axis are what? Now, our strategy here, or my strategy here, is going to be to find out what the equation of this line is using these two points here, and then solve for the x-axis, solve for the x-intercept. So I'm going to make y 0 and then solve for x to find that point there. Now, there are a few other ways that you could do this. You could recognize that this line is dropping, it's dropping a y value of 4 for every 2 to the left, so you could probably figure it out using that. In fact, you definitely can figure it out using that. However, this is sort of the more mathematical method that you could apply to any line, and particularly ones that aren't maybe as easy to just look at and understand. So I'm going to take you through the sort of more math-based approach, but if you know another way, please feel free to use that, and if you'd like to check this one out, also have a look. So as always, we know that the standard form of a line is y equals mx plus c, where we're expected to find values of m and c in order to make this equation make sense. So starting with the gradient, m, we know that our gradient equation is y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. And from here, I've actually made my number 2 coordinate this one and my number 1 coordinate this guy here. So what this ends up becoming is 12 minus 8 over 2 minus 0, which equals 4 over 2, which just ends up equaling 2. So now I know, and I might just divide these up, so now I know that my equation so far is y equals 2x plus c. So from here, I'm going to substitute one of my coordinates in. I'm going to substitute the second coordinate in, so I end up with 12 is equal to 2 times 2 plus c. 12 is equal to 4 plus c. Subtracting 4 from both sides, I end up with 8 equals c. So I now know that the equation of my line is going to be y equals 2x plus c. Substituting this value back into that. Now that I know that my equation is y equals 2x plus c, in order to find the coordinate of the x-intercept, or the x-axis, where the line crosses the x-axis, I'm going to make y equal to 0. And from here, sorry, I don't know why I've written c in for both of these, 8 and 8. 0 equals 2x plus 8. Subtracting 8 from both sides, we end up with negative 8 equals 2x. Dividing both sides now by 2, I end up with negative 4 equals x, which means that the coordinate is going to be negative 4, 0, considering I put 0 in for the y and then it dropped out an x value of negative 4. Of course, this is going to mean that we end up on option A. Guys, if you have any questions for us about this question, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.